Hi, very good morning. Sorry, very good evening, all of you. How are you all, everyone? Everyone, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. So, here we'll be continuing our series, question series. Right, yeah, Shruti, Prasad, V, Shavan, Pranit, everyone. Good evening, all of you. Right, so we'll be continuing our question series, you can say. Right, question series on which one? This highway PYQs, na? Is that no? We have started, we have taken 3 classes and we'll be continuing with which one? These others, na? Is that no? Other classes also will be doing now, you can say, other questions, right? What are topics we have completed? We have completed this site distance, we have, uh, highway alignment and this planning is done. And we'll be doing which one? This is site distance, we have to start now, is that no? So we'll be starting this site distance, you can say now, right? So anyone having any doubts in our previous discussions? Everyone, all of you. So these all PYQs of this highway engineering. This is your part 4 site distance 1, right? Mostly 15 classes will be finishing off all the PYQs, right? All state exams PYQs, SSC JE PYQs, right? All will be completing, okay? Right. Now, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everybody get ready to crack. So this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use always, right? What is the referral code? RP Civil. Now coming to this, at present this offer is going on 52% discount on your subscription amount, that too with which one? 4 months uh, 4 months free extension of your subscription, you can say, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. So this offer is valid up to which one? This is November 30th only, right? So 2-3 more days we are having. Don't miss this. Inform to your friends, juniors and everybody, those who are willing to take this subscription. And which subscription? This one, right? What is it, you can say? English batch for this SSC JE 2024, right? So what is that? SSC JE State AE JE English, right? You have to go for which one? This English, right? Not for other one, okay? So what is that referral code you have to use always, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use now. Right, so this is a new batch starting, right? So we'll be starting with the general studies also. Amit Vijay sir will be starting which one? At 8 a.m. He will be starting this polity, right? Amit Vijay sir. And KP sir will be starting which one? This fluid mechanics, right? So don't miss this, everyone. So what is that referral code you have to use, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, okay? Right. So on Airport Authority of India, junior executive also will be getting which one? This 43% discount plus 4 months extra subscription months will be getting, right? So don't miss this opportunity. So these are the details regarding that, right? These are the faculty and batch details coming to that. And whenever you are taking plus subscription, right, these are all the features you will be getting, you can say, okay? Now, these are all congratulations for SSC JE 2023 paper 1 toppers, right? Those who selected. So many more are there, but we could not add all, no? So no, these are all SSC JE State AE 2022 full toppers, right? After. Now coming to this, which one we are discussing, all of you? This all PYQs lecture number 4, chapter 3 we are discussing, that is your site distance, right? So shall I start the poll, everyone? Everyone is ready, all of you? Everyone is ready or not, all of you? Yes, everyone is ready. So get ready for the poll, right? Here we'll be giving a little more time if at all it is required. So otherwise we'll not be giving it, okay? Right. Select the answer, right? That I am giving which one? This 1 or 5 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. Gaurav answered correctly. What about the others? Yeah. Good evening, Gaurav. How are you? Everyone, how are you? So all of you had your evening dinner or only snacks over? Dinner also over or only snacks over? Right, only Gaurav answered correctly. Right, what about the others? Shruti also answered correctly. Others also try to answer. YouTube people, nobody is answering. Twenty seconds more time. Ten seconds more time. Only these two. What about the others? Right. So determine the safe stopping side distance for the design speed of 14 meter per second. Right. What is the design speed? Small v given. If you just observe, that is given as your 14 meter per second is the design speed given. 14 meter per second is the design speed given. You can say, right. 14 meter per second is the design speed. Two-way traffic on single lane road. Right. So whenever it is a single lane two-way traffic, right. So whenever it is at a single lane two lane, what is it you can say? Two-way traffic on two lane, sorry, two lane two way na. So two lane two way means, right, what is the safe SSD? You can say that a safe SSD will be equal to that one time SSD or two time SSD, everyone, right? One time SSD only now, and this is your which friction reaction time is what, 2 seconds, you can say. So then what is that safe SSD? If you just observe that a safe SSD will be equal to that one time SSD, right? What is that one time SSD? You can say that is your Vt plus what is it? You can say Vt plus this V square by this 2GF na. V is nothing but your how much? 14 into what is it? T 2 plus V square is nothing but your 14 square divided by this 2 into that 9.81 into, right, how much it is? You can say F is nothing but your 0.28, right? So how many meters you are getting? So this is given in Maharashtra Public Service Commission, right? Okay, right. How much is that SSD? Safe SSD you are getting, everyone? How much is that safe SSD, everyone? 63 point how much? 63.68, right? So 63.68 meters means, right, which option is nearby matching? If you just observe which option is nearby matching, you can say 63.68, 67. Option A will be matching or not? Yes, option A is matching, you can say, right, like that. So shall we move to the next question, second question? So I'll be moving on to the second question, right? This is just a chota bacha question, only 30 seconds time I'm giving. Try to select the answer, everyone. So whenever it is small question, I'll give 30 seconds. Theoretical question, I'll give 30 seconds. Numerical question, I'll give which one is more than 90 seconds, right? That's what I'll do. Read the question carefully. Anybody from YouTube answering? Right, the time gets over. So what is that? For night travel, the length of a valley curve should be such that the headlight sighted distance is same as. So what is the headlight sighted distance? Do you remember that? SSD only, no? Stopping sighted distance itself will be taken as the headlight sight distance or not numerically? Yes, absolutely, right? So shall I go for the next question? So this is your third question, you can say. Select the answer of you. 105 seconds time I'm giving. Try to solve this, everyone. 'Direct calculation only, no? This one. 40 seconds more time. 100% wrong answer. Time you want? Still you want more time? Okay. Yeah, 80 seconds more time. Solve this. $65 more time. Okay, you got the wrong answer. For a total reaction time of this 2.5 seconds, right? What is the reaction time given? 2.5 seconds is given. So what is the friction given? That F equal to the 0.35 is na? Friction is 0.35, right? So the design speed of which one? This 80 kmph, right? What is the capital V will be equal to that 80 kmph. So what does it mean? Small v will be equal to which one? 100 kmph equal to 27.78 meter per second. 80 kmph equal to 22.22 meter per second. Na? Is that no? 22.22 meter per second. So A equal to G equal to acceleration due to gravity, then the stopping side distance on a highway, right? What is the SSD we have to go for? If you just observe, that is your simply that Vt plus this V square by this 2gf na, Vt plus this V square by 2gf, right? What is the V you can say? That is your 22.22 into what is it you can say 22.5 seconds, right? Plus what is it you can say 22.22 square divided by which one? This 2 into what is it 9.81 into what is the friction given 0.35 given, right? How much you are getting? Tell me. That SSD equal to what is the value? 127.54. Everybody got the same answer or any other answer? Everybody got the same answer or any other answer? Tell me. Same 127.45. 127.45 means, right? What is the nearby answer you can say? Yeah, what is the nearby answer? That 124 meters will be the nearby answer. Na? So 124 meters will be the nearby answer you can say, right? This is given in Bihar Public Service Commission, right? Like that we are covering. This is Uttarakhand, right? This is previous one is which one? Maharashtra. Like that we are covering all state PYQs. So that what will happen now? In your state whatever they are not covering, in other state they are covering now. So they will, all models will be covered for you definitely, right? Okay, try to select the answer. 30 seconds time I am giving for this question. Fourth question. Yeah, Chodupalli answered correctly. Shruti answered correctly. What about the others? Right, what is it you can say? V is the initial speed of the vehicle, G is the acceleration due to gravity, capital G is the upward longitudinal slope, upward gradient na. Fr is the coefficient of rolling friction, and during the braking distance, then the distance by the vehicle to stop, right? Distance measured horizontally for the vehicle to stop, right? What is it you can say? It is braking distance they are asking na, BPSC question you can say. So what is it actually? V square by this 2G into which one? This F plus N na. N is nothing but your gradient. In place of this N, what is there given? G they have given. In place of this F, what they have given? Fr they have given, right? So which option is corrected? Option B is only correct now. Option B is only correct. You can say, right, like that. So shall we go for the next question of you? I'll be going on to this next question. Try to select the answer. 45 seconds time I am giving. Fifth question. This is Gujarat Public Service Commission question. Chodupalli Shruti answered correctly. Yeah, Guru Prasad also answered correctly. What about the others? Yes, 100% correct answer. It should not be wrong now this time, because it is very chota bacha easy wala question na. So it should not be wrong. It should not go wrong. Right. So what is that you can say? As per this IRC, coefficient of this longitudinal friction for calculating the stopping side distance for the vehicle speed range of 60 to 65 kmph is, right? What is that you can say? If you just remember that speed will be lesser than or equal to 30 kmph, right? What is the coefficient of friction? If you just observe, coefficient of friction will be 0.4 now, and speed is 40 kmph, right? What 40 kmph, 50 kmph, 60 kmph, and greater than or equal to which one? This 80 kmph, right? For this 80 kmph, right? What is that you can say? This is 0.35, this is 0.4. So increase the values, right? 0.36, this is your 0.37, this is 0. Which one? This is 38 you can say. So for 60 kmph it is 0.36, for 80 kmph it is which one? This is 0.35, right? So 60 to 65, it is in between this 60 to 65 na? Is that no? So what is that you can say? If you just observe, for 60 you are having which one? This 0.36, 0.36, and for this 80 will be having which one? This is 0.35 na? Exactly in between these two means that is 70 na. For 70 what is that you can say? Exactly the value in between these two, 0.355. So for 65 kmph what is that you can say? Exactly half of this, right? Because 65 is in between the 60 and 70 na. So the value in between these two is what? 0.3575. So whenever it is 0.3575, it is rounded off to the 0.36 now. So for 65 kmph 0.36, for 60 kmph also 0.36, right? Which one is the matching answer? 0.36 is the correct matching answer, and everyone is not right. Is it clear? This is your fifth question, fifth slide, right? Try to select the answer, everyone. 30 seconds only time I am giving. Sodipalli answered correctly. Right, yeah, the time gets over. What is it? You can say design speed for this national highway and state highway roads in plain terrain, right? What is it? Plain terrain. Yeah, good evening, Chotpalli. In case of this plain and rolling terrain, right, what is it? You can say 80 to 100 to 80 kmph na. So plain terrain, if you just remember, right, plain terrain, what is it? You can say plain terrain 80 to 100 na, 80 to 100, right? So what is it? A rolling terrain, if you just observe that a rolling terrain, what is it? You can say 65 to this 80 na. So 65 is your minimum design speed, 80 is ruling design speed, right? Here also 80 will be your, that is national highway and state highway only na. 80 will be your minimum design speed, 100 will be your ruling design speed, right? Like that. Okay, right. Next, what is it? You can say hilly terrain. Yeah, if you are getting benefit, then it's good, right? I'm happy. So what is it? You can say for hilly terrain, what is it? You can say it is 50 to 40 you are having, and what is the steep terrain? If you just observe, that is your 40 to 30 you are having. So higher value will be representing which one? This ruling design speed. Lesser value will be representing which one? This minimum design speed. You can say, right, like that. Shall we move to the next question? Right. Shall we? Select the answer. This is Odisha Public Service Commission question. Right. Previous one. One sec. Okay, this one. Right. Once noted, tell me. Done. Okay. So seventh question. Shall I move to this? Select the answer, right? I should not be giving which one? What is it? Nothing is mentioned actually. Right. Okay. So we go for this 105 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. Yeah. Here speed is not mentioned, right? How will you select the speed? Okay. Okay. Very good. Right. What is the stopping sight distance as per IRC recommendations to be provided on a level road, right? Level road means it is a plain terrain. Under plain terrain it will come, or under which one it will come? Tell me. Mostly under this plain terrain it will come. Now by default, if nothing is mentioned, we have to take it as plain terrain only. And any type of road is mentioned or nothing is mentioned. Type of road is also not mentioned. When type of road is also not mentioned, let us consider the plain terrain, and we have to consider by default which one, this national highway or this state highway only as the by default road we have to consider now, right? So Vadapalli Shruti Guru Prasad answered. Whenever you are considering this national highway and state highway, which one is the design speed we have to go for? If you just observe, 100 kmph will be the ruling design speed. By default we have to take it now. If ruling design speed is not possible, then only we have to go for this 80 kmph minimum design speed, right? So for this 100 kmph, what is that? Do you remember? 80 na? So that is your speed. This is your SSD. Do you remember as per IRC, everyone? 20 kmph, right? For this 20 kmph, what is the SSD? 20 meters, you can say. For this 25 kmph, it is 25 meter. And for this 30 kmph, 30. Do you remember, everyone? For this 40 kmph, how much it will be? Up to this speed value and this SSD value same, right? But from this point onwards, that is 5 difference, right? 45. So this is 5 difference now. This difference will get doubled, right? Doubled means 10 difference will come, right? So here 50 will be there now. Here 60 will come, right? 50 plus 10 is 60. So here again it is doubled, right? 20 difference, right? What is it? You can say this is 60 kmph, right? What it will become? 80 meters it will become now. Now 80 kmph, right? What is it? You can say this will be doubled, right? 40. So 80 plus 40 will be how much, right? That is your 120 meters, you can say. Now 100 kmph, if you just observe, So again this will be doubled, right? 180. So 100 plus, sorry, 80. 100 plus 80, what is it you can say? 100 plus 80, it comes to be which one? This 180, na? 180 meters, right? For 100 kmph, right, what is the value? 180 meters is the correct answer, and everyone, right? So these questions will be, this will be given in many examinations, many times, even repetition also they'll be giving it, okay? So now shall we move on to the next question, 8th question, shall we? Select the answer of you. 30 seconds time I will be giving. 30 seconds time I am giving. Chodipalli answered correctly. Right, what is that? The stopping sight distance, right? For two-way traffic, it is a two-way traffic given, na? Two-way traffic with a single lane. Whenever it is this a single lane and two-way, what is that you have to consider? Single lane and two-way means what is that? Safe SSD. Safe SSD will be equal to that 2 times SSD or 1 time SSD. Tell me. 2 times SSD, na? So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Right? Option D will be the correct answer, na? Option D will be the correct answer. You can say it like that. Now, so next question, right? Try to select the answer. 15 seconds only time I am giving. Okay, 15 seconds only time I am giving. Try to select the answer. 9th one. Anybody? Yeah, Chodipalli. Shruti answered correctly. As per IRC recommendations for stopping sight distance 30 kilometers per hour, design speed is, it is 30 meters now. Do you remember just now we have seen these values now? 20 kmph 20 meters, 25 kmph which one? Yeah, 25 kmph 25 meters, 30 kmph 30 meters, right? Yeah, which question you are asking? Which question you are saying? Yeah, this one. Yes, C. 8th question is C. C. 9th question is C, correct. Right. 10th question. Right. So shall we go for this question, everyone? 10th question, if you just observe. Select the answer. 90 seconds time I am giving all of you. What is the answer for this? 11th question. Sorry, 10th question. Yeah, Shruti Chaudapalli from special class answered. From YouTube, who is answering? Should I increase the timer? If anybody wants more time, you just ask me to increase the timer, all of you. Okay, Fun Gaming BKM also answered correctly. What's your name? From YouTube. 30 seconds more time. Yeah. Fun Gaming also answered correctly. 20 seconds more time. So from special, Shruti and Chodipalli only answered. Here, do you have Unacademy app? Do you have Unacademy app? When you are having this Unacademy learning app, Unacademy learner app, na? So Unacademy learner app, you download, and in that you enter your details and you register, and in the goal, na, you select which one? In the goal you select this one, right? What is it you can say? SSC JE State AE JE English. So there will be two you are having. SSC JE State AE JE will be there. SSC JE State AE JE English also will be there, right? SSC JE State AE JE will be there. SSC JE State AE JE English, right? My classes will be available in this one. SSC JE State AE JE English. Okay, you can get all my classes in that, right? And you can register, and free classes you can attend mostly. Okay. Right. So what is it you can say? If you just observe, this is your UK PSC, right? Uttarakhand question. So the design speed is which one? This 80 kmph. Right? What is the design speed? 80 kmph means, right? What is that small v? You can say 80 by this 3.6 means, right? How many meters per second? 22.22 meter per second. Na? 22.22 meter per second. Reaction time is 3 seconds. Right? What is the reaction time? T equal to 3 seconds. Coefficient of friction rate 0.5 you can say. And safe stopping sight distance is approximately, right? What is that? Is there any condition of this road given? Condition of this road is not mentioned, right? Means what is that we have to consider? Safe SSD equal to that one time SSD only, no? What is the one time SSD? Vt plus this v square by this 2gf, na? Vt plus this v square by this 2gf, you can say, right? Vt plus this v square by this 2gf, right? What is the Vt? 22.22 into, right? What is the time? 3 seconds, right? Plus 22.22 square divided by this 2 into that 9.81 into what is the f, you can say 0.5, right? How much you are getting? 117 point this 11 meters, na? So but which one is the nearby answer you are having? 120 meters is only the nearby answer you are having or not? 120 meters is only the nearby answer you are having, you can say, if you just, right? Is that clear? Is that right? So shall we move to the next question of you? 10 questions are over. 11th question shall we move on to? Right. So this is 10th slide. So these are all brake efficiency is a dash in percentage actually. So this is Vizag steel, right? 75 seconds time I'm giving. Try to solve this. Did you download that Unacademy Learning app? Unacademy Learner app, Fun Gaming became. That Unacademy Learner app, register and in the goal you select SSC JE, State AE JE, English. Then you will get all my classes there. My classes, KP Sir classes. So you can find my classes there. Live you can find because only 3-4 faculty are there in that. That's it. Twenty seconds. If you want more time, you just ask me to increase the timer, everyone. Right. So vehicle moving at this 40 kmph stopped by which one? This applying the brakes, na? Vehicle moving at 40 kmph is stopped by which one? This applying brakes or not applying brakes, and the length of skid marks was 12.2 meters, right? What is that you can say? 12.2 meters, right? The average skid resistance is 0.7, then the brake efficiency is, right? How can you get this brake efficiency? If you just observe, that is your brake distance SB is given as how much? 12.2 meters is given, na? That is equal to that v square by this 2a, na? Is that no? So what is that v square by this 2a? You can say v square by this 2g into that f developed, right? Friction developed, you can say, right? So friction developed you are having, right? How can you get that? This is equal to that v square is nothing but your 11.11, na? So small v equal to which one? This 40 by this 3.6, right? 80 kmph 22.22 means 40 kmph, half of that, na? 11.11 meter per second. 11.11 square by this 2 into that 9.81 into, right? What is it you can say? FD. Now tell me what is the friction developed, everyone? So what is the friction developed? Tell me. What is the friction developed, everyone? How much is the friction developed? .52. So what is the brake efficiency? You can say brake efficiency is nothing but your friction developed by this F maximum into 100, right? What is that? Friction developed is nothing but your which one? This 0.515. Okay, 0.52 by this 0.7 is a full friction into 100, right? How much is the percentage, you can say? How much is that percentage, everyone? How much you are getting? Somebody tell me the value. 74.29, right? What is that nearby answer available? That option A is only the nearby answer available or not, everyone? Okay, 73.57 or 74 point, okay. Note it, note it, and tell me. This is F maximum, na? F maximum available actually, right? This is F maximum available. So developed friction divided by this maximum friction available into 100 will give the braking efficiency, yes, na? Right. Done. See, friction developed, right? If the average skid resistance is 0.7, means average skid resistance is means that is present, na? That is existing, or that is developed, you can say. That is existing only, no? That is existing only, right? That is existing only. Existing means that is the original one or this actual one, na? Vehicle moving, it is subjected to this much length skid marks, right? That is mentioned, right? How much friction is developed, is that mentioned? How much friction is developed in that process, is that mentioned or not mentioned, right? Nothing is mentioned how much friction is developed, na? So they have mentioned that this is the friction, that's it. This is the friction means that is existing, you can say, right? That is existing, or that is the road condition which is having, right? Got it now? Understood? Right. So shall I move to the next? Right. So this is UK PSC question, right? Try to select the answer of you. 15 seconds time I am giving. Hurry here. The design value of the stop inside distance for a two-lane two-way traffic, right? Array yaar, two-lane two-way traffic, right? Okay, 15 seconds less. Two-lane two-way traffic, right? Whenever it is two-lane two-way, what is that you can say? Again, I am giving 15 seconds, right? Try to answer now, at least. Two-lane two-way, two-lane two-way. I have given the hint already. I have given the hint. So this time you should not be answering wrongly. Yes, na? No, the answer. Very good, very, very good then. So what is that? Safe SSD equal to the one-time SSD or two-time SSD? It is one-time SSD only, na? So equal to the stopping sighted distance. This is 12th question, right? So I thought we have to complete 25 to 30 questions today. That is the target I have kept. We'll see how many questions we'll do. 105 seconds time I'm giving. LMRC, two times they have given. In 2015 and 2017 they have given both. Did you join Fun Gaming? Harish, is that you only? Chodipalli answered correctly. Chodipalli Ramana, is it sir? Ramana, your name, complete name? Okay, yeah. I think in Facebook or Insta you have sent a request, right? I think I have seen your name somewhere there only, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Chodipalli Shruti answered correctly. Right, so what is it you are having? A road stretch is designed for a limiting speed of the 72 kmph. Right? What is the small v you can say? That is 72 in 72 divided by this 3.6 na. So what it will come directly 20 meter per second it will come na, because 36 into 2 is 72. So 3.6 into 20 will be 72, right? And built with a material offering a coefficient of friction of 0.4, right? The road is constructed with how much friction? 0.4 friction. if the reaction time of the driver is 2.5 seconds, right? Even if the reaction time is not given, right, how much we have to take? 2.5 seconds only we have to take now. And if there is a two-way traffic on single lane road, right? So whenever it is at a single lane two-way, right, what is it you can say? What is the safe SSD? Safe SSD will be equal to that one time SSD or two time SSD. Tell me, single lane 2 means it is two time SSD na? Two times SSD you can say. What is that? So that is equal to that two times SSD means Vt plus V square by this 2G of V is what? 20 meter per second into what is the reaction time? 2.5 seconds. Yeah, plus 20 square divided by which one? This 2GF na. So 2 into that 9.81 into that. What is the F you can say? 0.4, right? So what is that? How many meters is that safe SSD you are getting? 202.17, right? What is the nearby answer available? What is the nearby answer available? 200 meters is the nearby answer available now. 200 meters is the nearby answer available or not? Yes, absolutely, right? Is now? Shall we go to the next question? 14th question. 14th question. Shall we go for? 30 seconds I am giving. I think 30 seconds is good instead of 15 seconds, because in 15 seconds you may not be able to read the question fully also, na? So 30 seconds is good. That would be better. So in these classes I'll continue as it is. Struck, which one? What gets struck? Shruti answered correctly. I think for others it is working. Just refresh your page mostly. You may get it back. Okay, very powerful teacher. Okay, right, now it's okay. Just refresh Chodipalli. The minimum stopping side distance on a single lane road having the two-way traffic, right? Single lane two-way traffic, right? Whenever it is that a single lane two-way traffic, right, what is it you can say? Single lane two-way traffic is, it is one time SSD or two times SSD you can say. Twice the stopping distance, na? It is twice the stopping distance you can say, right? So shall I move to the next question? 15th question, right? Select the answer. Right, so the time gets over all of you, right? What is it you can say? The reaction time of this driver increases. So what is that? If you remember, reaction time is inversely proportional to which one? This is speed, na? Is that no? Because if you are traveling with higher speed, it is easy to control or difficult to control? Difficult to control our vehicle, na? So dangerous situation or non-dangerous situation, right? Dangerous situation, na? Whenever it is the dangerous situation, because whenever you are traveling with higher speed, if accident occurs now, it is very catastrophic accident, right? So some 10 people will be dying, right? Higher speed, right? Lesser speed, very less. So dangerous situation means that what is it you can say? We'll try to react very fastly or slowly? We'll try to react very fastly, na? Fast reaction, you can say. Fast reaction means within more time or within less time? Within less time. So that is why higher speed, lesser reaction time, right? So here reaction time is inversely proportional to which one? This speed, right? So what is the reaction time of driver increases? If you wanted to increase the reaction time, this speed must be decreasing, na? Because inversely. So which one is a nearby answer? Decreases in the vehicle speed, right? That is option B is only the correct answer, na? Is that clear now, everyone? So this is MPPSC Madhya Pradesh question. Okay, now shall we move on to this, everyone? Select the answer, all of you. 30 seconds time I am giving. This is Rajasthan exam. So we are covering all state exams, right? All PSUs. So that what will happen, na? So we'll come across variety of questions, so that you will not be missing any model. Chodupalli Shruti answered correctly. What about the others? Right. Stopping sight distance is always which one? Lesser than OSD, equal to OSD, more than OSD, equal to lag distance, right? It is lesser than OSD only, no? Do you remember that? HSD, headlight sight distance, will be equal to the stopping sight distance. which will be lesser than which one, this intermediate side distance, and this intermediate side distance will be lesser than which one, this overtaking side distance. If you consider this, SSD will be always a lesser relation only will be having na, right? So shall I move to the next question, 17th question. Select the answer. This is repeated, right? Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh they have given. So like that, there will be repetition of questions you will be having or not? Yes. So taka tak, fatafat, dhan, immediately looking at the question, you can be capable of answering, right? If you are thorough with the PYQs like this. So that you can save a lot of time, na? Is that no? Chodupalli Shruti answered correctly. What about the others? Right. The stopping side distance depends on, what is it you can say? Stopping side distance depends on which one? SSD will be equal to that Vt plus this V square by which one? V square by this 2G into that F eta plus or minus n, that is the SSD expression. Reaction time of the driver, yes, of course. Speed of the vehicle, yes. Brake efficiency, all the given options, na? So all the given options, you can write like that, isn't it? So shall I move to the next question, 18th question. This is your 19th slide and the 18th question. Bihar Public Service Commission, they have given this question, right? So you be careful. Even in GATE ESC also they did not give this question, right? So these state exams, they will be covering a wide range of parts, okay? Right. Suggested design speed for this arterial street as per IRC is, right? Do you remember that whenever it is an arterial street, na, what is it you can say? The design speed will be 80 kmph or not? 80 kmph, right? Subarterial street, next collector street, local street. Do you remember that? That is 80, this is 30, na? So this is 50, 20 difference, that is 20 difference, 60, you can say, right, like that, isn't it? So arterial street is given means, right, that is your 80 kmph or not? Yes, absolutely, right? Shall we go to the next question, 19th question? 19th question, right? I'll be going for it, shall I? Select 45 seconds time I'm giving. Shruti only answered correctly. What about the others? 10 seconds more time. Only Shruti answered. Right, what is it you can say? Consider the following factors: reaction time, speed, coefficient of friction, gradient. Which of these factors are taken into account for computing the braking distance, right? Only you are asked to identify the braking distance now. What is the braking distance you can say? That is your V square by this 2G into that F eta plus or minus n. So which one is there? Reaction time is not there. Speed, yes, it is there. Coefficient of friction, yes. Gradient, yes. 2, 3 and 4, right? 2, 3 and 4, is there any option? 1, 2, 2, there is no option, right? This is your 2 and 3. So which option is correct, right? None is the correct answer, na? 2, 3 and 4 are not there, right? Is na? So shall I move to the next question? 20th question, all of you. Right, this is 20th question, right? This is Gujarat Public Service Commission. Select the answer, right? 30 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. Questions, 25 to 30 in between I thought of completing today. Yeah, we will be doing it, don't worry. 30, we have to check it. 15 minutes more time is there, na? But 25 questions will complete definitely. If numericals come, 30 may not be possible. If numericals are not there, na, 30 easily possible. Right, what is it you can say? The reaction time of this driver depends on which one? Perception time, brake reaction time, speed of the vehicle, all, na? So no. So no, all these factors will be influencing or not? Yes, absolutely. Right, which one? Option D will be the correct answer. This is 22 if we just observe. 21st question. So what is the 21st question? Shall I select the answer? So you read the definition carefully. This one ease width is not there. Yeah, I'm increasing 15 more seconds time. Only Shruti answered. What about the others? Right, so what is it? You can say stopping at a distance of the pavement is the minimum distance available on a highway, which is the distance of sufficient length to stop the vehicle without collision. Distance visible to a driver during the night time. That is HSD, na? That is headlight side distance. It is not stopping side distance. So it is wrong. Height of the object, no. Distance equal to the height of the object, no. Which one is correct now? Option A will be the correct answer, na? Yes. So shall we move to the next question? 22nd question. So this is 23rd slide. Select the answer. 60 seconds time I am giving. Very chota bacha calculation only, but it's simple calculation only. Chodupalli Shruti answered correctly. What about the others? Ten seconds more time. Only these two answered. If at least 6 people answered correctly, then only it will show the leaderboard. Otherwise, it will not show. Okay. Right. So what is the value of this resultant retardation when the long flow friction coefficient is 0.36 allowed to stop the vehicle on the road? Right. What is it? You can say retardation. Right. What is that retardation? This is Karnataka PSC question. Right. Retardation A will be equal to F into G. Na? What is the area of 0.36 into, right? What is it? You can say 9.81. If it is a 10, na, 0.36 into 10 means 3.6 will come. Slightly lesser than 10 means slightly lesser than 3.6. Right? What is that? You can say 3.52532, na, 3.532 meter per second square will come. Right? Which option is correct? Right? Option D is correct answer. Na? So shall I move to the next question of you? Shall I move to the next question, everyone? 23rd question. So this is Odisha Public Service Commission question. Try to select the answer. 45 seconds time I am going, because it looks little lengthy. Reading time will take more. Wrong poll, is it so? Let us check it. Okay, yeah. Actually they should be given like that. Okay, actually they should be given like that. Poll option is not there actually. Right. For the purpose of this measuring the stopping side distance, IRC suggested that the height of this eye level of the driver and the height of the object, right? Whenever you are considering this, right, what is the height of this driver, eye level of this driver, what is the capital H you are taking now? So from this place, that driver will be supposed to observe which one? This small chota bacha object na, of height how much? That is a small h equal to 0.15, capital H equal to which one? This 1.2 meters, right? Which one is correct? So if you just make it 1.2, this option C will be the correct answer, right? Yes, na? I think, yeah, I have given wrong. I have given B instead of C. Yes, no, that is wrong. Yes, correct. So shall I go for this? Select the answer. Actually, this specification nowadays we are not at all using. It was very old specification. I don't know why they have given. We are not at all using it nowadays. Okay. You have to be careful, right? You have to be careful in selecting the answer. Which one is the answer? A is the answer, right? So this was the answer actually, right? This is actually the answer as per which one? This very old code. Simply, suitably, whenever only V is there, na 0.28 comes, right? Here 0.28 with V square means 0.28 square will come, right? 0.28 should not come, right? 0.28 square will come. So obviously this is wrong. Okay. So this is also wrong, right? Because V square is in the denominator, right? Among these two only there is a possibility. 0.28 capital V into T. So do you remember that SSD expression, original expression now at present which we are using? 0.278 into that capital V into the small t plus capital V square by which one? This is 254 into which one? 254 into what is that you can say f one eta plus or minus n, right? This is what we are having. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? This is the correct answer, right? So sorry, this is the correct answer, right? First one is the correct answer, right? Here also this is also wrong, na? Because why? V square is in the denominator. V square should not be in the denominator. V square should be in the numerator, right? Why this cannot be? 0.28 is there. It should be 0.28 square, like that. Okay. So and this is 0.01 VT is there. That is wrong, na? 0.01 VT should not be there. 0.28 VT should be there, right? Then only it is correct, right? Got it now? Very old specification, right? Very old specification. So don't remember this, right? Don't remember this. You have to use which one? This new one only we have to use it now at present. So shall we move on to this 25th question of you? So 105 seconds time I'm giving. Try to solve this. UPPCLAE. 90 seconds more time. Only Shruti answered correctly. What about the others? Anybody from YouTube? And others from special class? This is 25th question. Okay. Yeah, 25 we are crossing successfully. Chodipalli also answered correctly. Don't give hint until the poll is completed. Yeah, because poll is going on. Na? Yeah. So vehicle is traveling at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour on the level road before the brakes are applied by the driver upon seeing an obstacle, being vehicle to rest, right? If the coefficient of this rolling friction and the perception reaction time is known to be 0.5 and this 20 seconds, the braking distance, right? You are asked to identify this braking distance only. Know what is the braking distance? You can say V square by this 2G F, na? Take the acceleration to gravity as 9.8, right? What is that? You can say V square is nothing but your which one? What is that small v? 60 kilometers per hour divided by this 3.6, right? Do you remember 100 kmph 27.78, 80 kmph 22.22, 60 kmph is what? 16.67, 16.67 meter per second, right? What is that? You can say 16.67 square divided by this, what is that? 2 into 9.8 into, right? What is that? You have 0.5. How much is that SB comes to be? How many meters you are getting that SB? Tell me. How many meters? 28.35, right? Which one is the nearby answer you are getting? 28.3 meters is the nearby answer, na? Yes or no? Right, so this is which one? 25th slide, 26th slide, there is nothing here. What is 7th slide, right? This is previous one is which question? UPPCL. This is also the same UPPCL only, right? Try to select the answer of you. You observe ABCD properly. This is C, this is B, right? Don't get into the trouble. You observe correctly and select the correct answer. Fifty seconds more time. 20 seconds more time. You observe BC properly. That is what I said, na? You observe BC properly and select the correct answer properly. Should increase the timer. Right. A car is accelerating at a constant velocity of 2 meter per second square, right? Initial velocity is how much you can say? That is at a constant velocity rate, right? What is it? 2 meter per second square. That is acceleration, right? So if it travels a distance of this 1000 meters in 20 seconds, right? What is it you can say? Time is equal to that. Time is equal to 10. Sorry. Time is equal to which one? This is 20 seconds, right? What is that? S equal to which one? This is 1000 meters. Then what must be the initial velocity, right? What is the initial velocity? You can simply just observe. So distance you know, time you know, acceleration we know, right? What is that you can say? Distance you know, time you know, acceleration you know means what is that you can say? What is that you can say? Which formula we can use? If you just observe, which formula we can use? S equal to ut plus half at squared. No? So what is it? U initial velocity you are asked to identify, na? So that is 1000 equal to U initial velocity is how much you can say it is given? What is the velocity given? You are asked to identify that initial velocity only, no? Time is 20 seconds, ut plus half, acceleration is how much? 2 meter per second square, t, time is what? 20 seconds, no? 20 square, right? So what is that u we are getting? You will be getting some meter per second. How many meters per second you will be getting, tell me? 30 meter per second, right? So 30 meter per second means which one? It is a C option. Here it is given as your C option. Here it is you are given as your B option, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? So anyone having any doubts, all of you? Is everything clear? Anyone having any doubts? So how many questions we are done, right? 6 questions we are done. 26 questions we are done. So more than 25. Good. Tomorrow class is not there. Tomorrow class is not there. Day after tomorrow we'll be having this class again. Okay. Day after tomorrow we'll be having this class again. Day after tomorrow I'll tell you the time, whether it is at 8 p.m. or 2 p.m. I'll tell you. Okay. Don't worry. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? Just go with this offer, all of you. Right. Inform your friends about this offer, all of you. And these new batches are going to start. So don't miss this. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. We'll meet again day after tomorrow in this. So next class mostly it will be over side distances topic. Okay. Thank you.